Today, we're doing our first pasta dish. We're doing pesto pasta, but this is like quick, easy. We're not making our own pesto, it's in a jar. Yeah. But this is one of the best pesto pastas ever. Tips for pasta, roll in boil, and you wanna just get it quite salty. We're gonna make some flavors with onion and garlic. We got pesto. We've got pine nuts for topping, basil for a bit of garnish. We've got parmesan cheese, lemons, and some tomatoes. And yeah, that's all you need to make lovely pasta. All right, roll in boil.
She rolling.
Whole bag. Some red onion. And then we'll do a couple of garlic cloves.
One got sent over here.
So we're gonna go cherry tomatoes and then just half them. You know?
You know?
You know?
You know this.
Right, pasta is done. So I'm gonna pour this out, but I'm gonna save a little cup of pasta water. So when you drain it, just put a little cup underneath.
Looks like lemon juice.
Game of soggy biscuit. Gone wrong. That's your starchy pasta water. That's good stuff there. Basically, you can just go in with everything. To be fair, it's not even that. It's not that deep. Hey, playing silly buggers. Give that a nice little. I'm gonna salt even more because I like salt. We're gonna go chili flakes. Bit of a kick.
They're a cheat code, isn't they?
Yeah. And then we're just gonna do some mixed herbs. Always adds a bit of flavour as well, and it's one of the only things we have in the unit. We're gonna do that. We're gonna do some pepper.
The last few.
The last of it. And that we're gonna do pesto. There we go. Pasta water in the jar. Close it.
That's when you knew you grew up poor, that is.
Nah, it's getting the flavours out.
Yeah, that's what my mum used to do.
Yeah.
She used to be like,
She sounds like a smart woman.
yeah. Like, walk that down.
In there. All right, they're ready. Dump that in. Just want to toast some pine nuts quick. Basil. Save a bit for garnish, put a bit in there.
Oh, that smells so good.
Game changer, lemon. You want to squeeze 1 or 2 lemons in there. Get it real lemony. Hey, yep, Stu's here. Yeah.
What are you doing here? Just in time, am I? Not enough for you.
No way. Yeah, have a drink of that. Why is it hot? It's just hot lemon. It's good for a cold. You've got a cold. Drink that.
No. Hay fever.
We're going to pour a bit of that in there.
Lemon squash.
And then big mix. We're going to grate some parmesan.
At the cheese roll,
Yeah.
you don't actually have to catch cheese.
You can't, no one catches.
No, I know. It's just the first person down.
It's gone.
Yeah, I know, but I thought you had to catch
It's
cheese.
I think it's impossible to catch cheese.
It's called cheese rolling, not
Yeah,
cheese
no,
catching.
I know, but that's what I thought.
Oh yeah.
That's what I thought.
I
Right.
proper thought about doing it next year. I reckon we well good at it as well.
Lazy bastard. No, check the rest of the bin. I don't want that.
Go on, have it. Forks.
No forks? Absolutely.
And then a bit more garnish. Cheese.
Yeah.
Bit of basil. Some pine nuts. And then we'll just do a last little squeeze of lemon. I'm having big one. Shotgun.
Go for it.
Go for it.
Lovely
How is that,
stuff.
Stu?
It's lovely.
Lovely.
Delicious.
Good stuff. Good lunch for you. Get it down here. I'm so hungry.
Lush. Just nuts, isn't it? Nuts with stuff.
Worked well, didn't
I
it?
love the crunch of it. That's perfect.
Mine was alright. Bit substandard, really.
Didn't get all the trimmings.
But it was alright.
Maybe it was the vessel you were eating out
It
of.
filled the hole.
Turkey dinosaurs a little bit.
Yeah, I would have personally done that a little bit better. A little bit more seasoning and a little bit longer on the hob. Personally, but hey, what do I know?